I love US elections. I used to work in the US Congress and helped the campaign for my Democratic congressman that I was working for back in 2004 in the midterm elections. But I also read US politics in my PPE degree. So who's going to win? More importantly, who's going to win? Well, in 2000, when I was on Bloomberg TV, we had the hanging chads, and I was covering the markets at that time. And none of us expected what happened, and the election outcome was decided by one vote by the Supreme Court in Bush versus Gore, the case. Okay, and Bush won because of the Supreme Court. Now, what's going to happen this time? Well, it'll be 10 voters in Montana, 10 in Arizona, and 10 in Ohio. Basically, 30 people are going to decide. What does that actually mean, however, for the stock market? This is from Schroders. Okay, this is what it means for the stock market. Let's assume Trump wins. It'll be reflationary for the US. What does reflationary mean? Well, GDP growth will be good, so it avoids a recession. But asset price inflation is what reflationary means, which means the stock market will probably go up more under a Trump than a Harris. That's what they think. It's what I think as well. What's actually going to happen? Well, I suggest you become one of the subscribers on my YouTube channel, like and follow for more, and look at alpeshpatel.com/links. Thank you very much.